Hi everyone, I know it's been long overdue, but I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my eyeliner and apply my eyelashes. Yes, I know I've been gone, but I'll leave that in the description box below. But yeah, make sure you like, you comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's get right into the video. I'm using NYX matte liquid liner to line my eyes. I personally like to wipe off some of the excess liner so that I won't make any mistakes. And I prefer to start in the front, using small, gentle strokes, gradually building, just making a guide following the shape of my eye. Now this is the tricky part, you guys. For the wing, you want to make sure that you wipe off the excess liner off the brush and slowly create a line. I prefer my wing to be very long and dramatic. Like, it is so dramatic that some people ask me, they're like, oh, you look like you're about to fly away. Yes, I'm about to fly away, okay? Because I love my wings to be super dramatic and long. Now, it all depends on you and your eye shape and what you prefer. So you don't have to take your wing this high. I'm just showing you in this video what I like to do and how I like my liner. So right here, I'm connecting the front point to the end point. So right here, I'm just connecting both points. And I like my liner to also be very thick. So I'm just gradually building the liner on top. I don't want to just make a big line and then mess up and have to wipe it all off my face. So that's why you gradually build. Now this is optional. I wanted to go, you guys, I told you I wanted to go for a cat eye look, so I added liner close to my tear ducts area just to make it even dramatic and pop out even more. And right here, I'm just filling in those empty spaces that I could have missed when connecting both points together. Now starting off with the other eye, I'm doing the exact same thing, you guys. I'm wiping off the excess liner off my brush. I'm slowly, doing gentle light strokes and everything. But for some reason, this eye, I think, is smaller than the other one. So it is kind of hard for me to get them to look the exact same. So I really take my time on this eye. And I'm going to try my best to make them look just alike. So for my wing on this side, I am going to take a facial guide. My facial guide is going to be underneath my eyebrow, in between my nose. I see that on the other side, my liner stops right there. So on the other side, I'm just going to make a little dotted point, which I did, which is very small, and I'm going to build that way. And I'm just building my liner slowly but surely and getting each other to match each other and look just the same. So I'm just going to connect the end point to my starting point, and I'm going to gradually build, you guys. I told you that I want thick liner, so I'm just going to continually build until I see what I like. And now I'm just going in, filling in that tear ducts area, making it very sharp, like I'm just, a little cat or whatever. But yeah, just going in, making sure that is super sharp, because I make sure that is sharp, okay? Okay, for the lashes, I'm using number 201 Broadway lashes. These are my favorite lashes. Like, I can't find any in any brand. I can't find anything that's comparable to these lashes. I love it. And for the glue, I'm using hair bonding glue. Yes, hair bonding glue. I do not advise anyone to use this because you may be allergic to it. And I have had, scenarios where my sister was allergic to the glue or whatever, but it wasn't so bad to where she had to go to the hospital. But I would not advise anyone to use it because I don't want to put you guys in that situation. So I will leave a duo glue I will leave that in my description box below so you guys can purchase it, because it is comparable to this glue. I actually have found a lash glue that is comparable to bonding glue. I love bonding glue, so yeah, don't judge me. But anyway, I am applying my lashes with the applicator, eyelash applicator, and you can find this at Sephora, Beauty Supply, or any Ulta Beauty. It's really everywhere. You can find this anywhere, and it's like $3.99 at the most. But right here, I'm just applying my lashes, making sure it's close to my lash line as possible, like making sure it's very, very close. And I just like to push it in. So right here, I'm just putting on my eyelashes and I'm pushing it in. So for the other eye, I'm going to be putting it on, and I like to stick it in the middle first. Make sure it's tacky and sticky in the middle, and then take the front and then push it in on the front. And I'm really just pushing it on my lash line. I like to push it on and making sure that it's actually on my eye and sticking really well. Now I'm taking the end and making sure the end is tacky and is sticking on my eye. And reasons why I use hair bonding glue instead of lash glue, it's because with hair bonding glue, I have found no trouble with when the wind is blowing very fast and your eyelash is popping up. I found no trouble. Like, I can literally go swimming. I can go swimming and my eyelashes are still on. That is why I use hair bonding glue, because I do not have time for my lashes to be sticking up. I just don't have time for it. But yeah, like I said, I don't advise any of you to be using hair glue. Now I'm taking Rimmel liner and I'm putting that on my lower lid. And like I said, I want a dramatic eye for today, so putting that on my lower lid, making it very, very dark and, you know, and in depth. And right here, I'm just connecting. I don't want to take it too far to where you can't see the tear duct cat eye thing. So I'm just not taking it so far. But I'm really like making it very dark. So this basically sums up the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my tutorial. Sorry that I have not been posting lately, but you know, I'll get back on my stuff, you know, I'll get back on my grind. But yeah, just subscribe. Make sure you please subscribe to my channel. Comment whatever you want to see and like this video for me. Thanks for watching. See you guys in my next video.